Hi Ohio, this video is for the Pick 3 pair method. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to use pairs to try to get some wins from the pairs instead of using the 3 digits. So on this method, what I do is I do go back about a month to test this theory out. And then on your state, you seem to like Thursdays. The types of pair play that Ohio offers is front pair. So for an example, let's say you chose 4-9 front pair and then 4-9-3 hit. You would win because you played a 4-9 front pair, and you would win $25 off a 50-cent play. If you played a 9-4 front pair, you would not win because it has to be exact. And then the other pair that you can try is a back pair. So for an example, let's say you played a 9-3 back pair. And for example, let's say that 4-9-3 hit, then you would win $25. And if you played a 3-9 back pair, you would not win because it has to be exact. And then your state also offers a split pair. So let's say you had a 4-9-3 hit, or you had 4-9-3 fall. If you played a 4x3 split, then you would win $25. If you played a 3x4 split, you would not win because it does have to be exact. This method is good for 7 to 9 days. And in the rest of the video, I'm going to show you an example of how I would go about back testing, and then I'm going to give you some potential pairs in the next 7 to 9 days. So on this next part, if you cannot see this, make sure you pull up whatever site you use to look at the numbers. So for an example, you had 186 fall on April 5th. So when you're back testing, the pairs you would be looking for is like a 1-8 pair, 8-6 pair, a 6-1 pair, and an 8-1 pair. And on this week, you did have that fall. You had a 1-6 back pair on April 6th with 6-1-6. So for another example, you would go, so I went to April 12th, you had 7-9-0 hit. So in that, you would be looking for like a 7-9 pair, a 9-0 pair, a 0-9 pair, a 0-7 pair, and a 9-7 pair. So in this week, you did have a 0-7 front pair on April 18th with the 0-7-2. And then I'm going to show you just a couple more examples. Okay, so on April 19th, you had a 2-1-1 hit. So if you're back testing, you would be looking for like 2-1 pair, a 1-1 pair, a 1-2 pair. And in that week, you had on April 24th, you had 1-6-1 fall. So that was a 1x1 split on April 24th. And then for another example, you had April 26th, you had a 3-1-8 fall. And then you had, on that one, you did have to extend it out to 7 days because today's number was 182. So you did have the from 3-1-8, you did have that 1-8 front pair there. All right, and then on the next part, I'm just going to show you the potential pairs in the next 7 days or 7 to 9 days based on all of that. So tonight, you had a 182 fall. So in the next 7 to 9 days, you might have like a 1-2 back pair, a 2-1 front pair, a 8x2 split, a 1-8 front pair, and then these could also either reverse, so like 8x2 might turn into 2x8. And then you might also have, like you might still get the digits like a 2-1 front pair, for example. It may not match exactly with this, so I'm not going to go through every single thing that might fall, but just for a couple examples, you might have like a 8-1 back pair, and then, or like a 8-1 front pair. And then you can apply the same, principle to the rest of those combinations there too. Okay, Ohio, that's pretty much it. If you do have any other questions, just let me know in the comments section.